This is not a picking video, but this is just to show some. I've seen some people posted videos of this brand of lock. This is a Dudley combination lock, and it's got the tag on there as well, and with the combination on the other side. 1237.9. I'm gonna open it. Bought this at a garage sale one time. It's got the needle on the knob there. 1237. Back to 9. And as you can see, it works. I don't know if anyone's seen that particular kind of Dudley combination lock. It's got all the information on the back. I'll read it to you. It says, "Made in USA, Dudley, registered U.S. patent off Dudley Lock Corporation, Chicago, Illinois. Patents number 1736183. Others pending." And I don't know how old this is, but I didn't see a date on it. I imagine it's pretty old. But yeah, this is a Dudley combination lock, and like I said, it's got the needle on the knob there. I haven't seen anybody post this particular style and look as far as I can tell, but I thought I'd show this. This is bought this a couple summers ago, I believe, for a couple bucks. Thank you for watching.